A lot of our homes come with beautiful quartz countertops. Quartz is a lovely product for a countertop. It never needs to be resealed, and it always looks really, really nice. The challenge with quartz sometimes, though, is not the product, it's usually the color. A lighter color is going to show up marks a lot easier. Oftentimes you'll get marks on the edge of the countertop from belt buckles, blue jeans, rub marks. Sometimes you'll get marks on the surface. Specifically, if you put like a wet cast iron pot, you might get a rust ring or some marks, tinted oils, spices, wine, those sorts of things can cause a mark. And you might be like, I've damaged, I've ruined my countertop. You haven't ruined the countertop. These are very, very durable surfaces, but it does take a little bit of time sometimes to get those marks out. Often they will come out, but it will take weeks, perhaps even months before something is completely gone, just with regular cleaning. There are ways to accelerate that cleaning a little bit if you'd like, but you have to be careful not to damage the surface of the quartz. If you use the wrong product, you could easily cause a rub mark or change the sheen on it. One product I see a lot of people are wanting to use would be something like a magic eraser. These are great for lots of applications in the home, but the top surface of your quartz, not a good place to use it. You can use them on the edges of the countertops for some of those marks, but it's a slightly abrasive product. So if you use it on the surface, it's going to cause a dull spot to appear on the quartz. A good product to use would be Method Daily Granite Cleaner. It's a mild cleaner. It allows you to clean the surface. Just follow the instructions, typically spray it on, use a damp cloth, wipe it off, and then dry it. If you do have a stubborn spot, a couple of good products to use, just regular dish soap with water is going to be safe to use, and just rub it, being careful not to be too aggressive with it. Or you can use a Vim. Now, you need to be very cautious to use the Vim that doesn't have any granules in it, any bits or abrasive product in it. Use a little bit of this, smear it and rub it in, and then wash the entire countertop. Again, it will help. It may not get it out 100% right away, but don't fret. Give it a little time and all stubborn marks will usually come out. Now, one thing that does come up, I see a lot of, is sometimes people will take a pot and they'll rub it across or run it across the countertop, and it'll leave like a silver line. Or if they have jewelry and they rub it, it'll leave a mark. That isn't actually a scratch in the surface usually. Usually it's the metal that's been deposited on top of the countertop. So it hasn't scratched. Similar way though, just keep it, cleaning it with soap, water. Eventually those marks will also come out. That can help you to keep your countertop looking beautiful.